What if I told you that you're not just a human, you're actually an ecosystem made up of 38 trillion microbes that help decide your energy, your digestion, your immunity, moods, and even how well you age? Hi, I'm Dr. Eskandari, aka Dr. Melody DC, a functional medicine health coach and certified WALS autoimmune coach. And today we are talking about the importance of human microbiome by their numbers and why feeding it properly may be one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. So, what is microbiome that everybody talks about? Gut microbiome, friendly bacteria, and all that. See, the microbiome is the collection of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes living in us and on us. They live mostly in our gut, but also in our mouth, oral cavity, our skin, and throughout the respiratory tract. And here's the wild part that we have about 38 trillion microbial cells in our body compared to roughly about 30 trillion human cells. This is why scientists say we are only about 43% human by cell counts. Your microbes carry genes also. In fact, microbial genes outnumber human genes by about 150 to 1. This means many processes we blame on bad genetics are actually influenced by microbial activity. Activities such as blood sugar regulations, fat storage, detoxification ability, and inflammation. Neurotransmitter production, which are at the end of the nerve cells production. So they act as a biochemical factory. Their weight is about 1 to 2 kilograms, similar to the weight of the head, actually the brain. Our colon, large intestine, has about hundreds of billions of microbes per gram. The oral cavity has millions per milliliter. This is why oral health matters for gut health as well. And gut health matters for the brain health. Not to mention our skin, thousands per square centimeter. A healthy adult may host about more than 1,000 species of different microbes. Unfortunately, the modern lifestyle causes to have less than even about 400 in some of us. Every lost species means lost capabilities. Fewer vitamins are made inside the gut and hormones. Poor immune tolerance, more inflammation, and food sensitivity. This loss is driven by ultra-processed foods, low fiber intake, unnecessary antibiotic use, and chronic stress, environmental toxin. So our friendly microbes, gut microbes, ferment fiber. When we eat fiber, they ferment them to the important molecule called butyrate, which is the food for the cells inside the gut lining. Train the immune system, communicate with the brain via the neurotransmitters, just like the material that is produced at the end of the nerve cells, regulates our hormone and metabolism. This is why microbiome health is foundational for metabolic health and autoimmune resilience. So how we can support the oral and gut microbiome with food? We can start actually today. Feed your microbiome with colorful vegetables, diverse plant fibers, fermented foods and vegetables, polyphenol-rich foods, which are the beautiful dark colors and powerful antioxidant abilities of the colorful vegetables and dark vegetables, like herbs and spices, also berries, and mineral-rich foods, such as nuts and seeds, cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, eggs, beans. These foods provide an essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc, which are important for various bodily functions. Our microbes do not need perfection. They need consistency and diversity as far as the food that we are taking. When we support our microbiome, we are not just helping digestion, we are supporting energy, immunity, brain health, resilience, and better aging. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, healing truly begins from within. Thank you.